everyone. I'm giving you some raw road trip footage from Johannesburg to Cape Town. Ran some video clips when we stopped. So I hope you enjoy this. Might be fun. If it's fun for you as well, let's make some more. Giving good reason to go on more road trips. I promised you a summary at the end of the raw footage, but so long I can tell you there's some excitement. We broke down. There's a video clip of that. And then there's a cute video clip where little Henry is helping me to clean the car. Also some data. It was cheaper down. We kept the speed to around 110 kilometers per hour, but that's going to depend on what EV you have, what electric vehicle you're using. With ours, its sweet spot seems to be between 100 and 110 kilometers per hour. Up, not really a problem. If you go uphill, not really a problem. If you go too fast, that seems to be a problem. And otherwise, let's almost get going. I'm going to show you the map quickly of what we traveled. So we went up already before when we came down now this time around. The quick spreadsheet, yes, if you're interested, I'm going to tell you a bit more, but definitely we had a nice sweet run all the way down this time around. No delays, no waiting, not that popular yet for people to drive the long road. With this summary again will be the infrastructure is lacking. Look at my other video as well. Infrastructure is still too slow, the charging speeds, and also there's not enough machines. That's probably two things. That's the problem. Okay, so let's get going with some of our videos. On the road again from Midrand to Cape Town. This is our first stop. Nice stop, I like this stop. It's a fun stop, a lot of grass areas to rest on. Machine is nice and quick. I think it's running 60 kilowatt now, and there's another Volvo X30 pulled up next to our RTF3, and looking forward to rest out of it and hit the road again. I'll keep you updated, but yes, a fun place to be. See, there's a rest area. Our little one smiling, I think, I hope. So it's charging. We're first in queue. We were very lucky today. The Ventersburg, nice, very nice stop today. First stop. Next stop Colesberg, then the first stop next stop Bloemfontein. Then Colesberg, sleeping over Colesberg, and then Richmond tomorrow, first stop. Boring. Okay, so this is what happens if you have a breakdown. Well, not a breakdown. Well, the one service point didn't work. We couldn't get our car loaded, so I had to drive 8 kilometers on and run out of fuel. So now we're stuck getting tow truck to tow us for 2 kilometers. So that's the reality. Okay, so Ruan dropped us nicely at Colesberg station, same place we've been last time. I'm sure the speed is better this time. It's 60 kilowatts, so just give me an hour. Really, we can't be more empty. So an hour we filled up and go to our guest house. At least very friendly people after our embarrassing amateur moment. Our accommodation, pretty decent. A&B house, the little one's already in. West first. And it's a room, it's nice and quiet. So we're lucky we actually have the house actually for ourselves. Closing our door. Okay, we're in Richmond. Love Richmond. Nice stop. Nice and green. After this morning, we woke up without water, electricity. It was quite challenging, but here we are. little one finding some entertainment, things to do. We're going to wait an hour, so waving at the cat. It stopped charging for quite a bit. Fortunately, I picked it up. I'm not sure if it's interfaces, might be because I paid in between, that it bombed out. So some teething problems always. I think it was interface problem maybe, where I had to stop the machine, stop the car, stop everything, wait a bit, and then restart again with the whole process. This time around also I used the SMS way, WhatsApp way to send charge in the station. Maybe that forced it through a little bit different as well. And all still happiness today, not a lot of issues, no waiting times yet, but Beaufort West still coming, where we had a lot of headaches last time around. Charging in Beaufort West. Okay, so we in Laingsburg, our last stop for today, and quite lucky today as well. We had no issues really, no queues, mostly happiness, quick stations, and it's going to see quick stop what they can offer us. I see there's some sand panels also in use. But yes, definitely going to get a nice good rink, and hopefully speed's not too bad. Almost home. Okay, we're charging at Worcester at the mall. Just a quick top up. Before we go home, but it's a nice quick fast charging. That's why I didn't fully charge at Laingsburg. Laingsburg's 20, this one is 60. Okay, we're not going to go to the movies now. We're not going to go to the Spur now. We're not going to go to Barca. We're going to go straight home. Okay, so back home after a road trip. Car's washed, clean, and here's now time to crunch the numbers and see what's going on. I do believe we had a better, more fuel efficient trip back home, but hopefully I can see that in the numbers. Okay, so there she is, really chuffed with the way things went. But yes, maybe she's not built for South Africa yet, for the long road, definitely for around town, but for the long road I believe that the infrastructure is not there. So not all her fault. Infrastructure South Africa for the long road, we need quicker charges, more charges, and then we should be sorted. So BYD, come to the party. Washing away. This is actually me charging at Sanlam head office. I hope you enjoyed this, and hopefully there's going to be many more videos coming. And yes, great road tripping for all of you.